If you want to earn in dollars and work from anywhere in the world, there are really three things standing between you and that life. Listen carefully to this video. Number one, very important, computer skills. This first one, you need to know how to use a computer. I don't just mean you have to be a tech genius. No. I mean the basics. Knowing how to navigate your laptop, use Google, how to send emails, how to manage files, how to jump on a Zoom call or a Microsoft Teams call. These things, they matter more than you think. Okay, so because here is the truth. Remote work happens entirely on your screen. Know that. If you are uncomfortable with technology, you have no business with working remotely. Clients will feel that, they will see it and they will know, and that's already a gap. Go to YouTube and learn, it's free. Go to Google and learn, it's free. There is no excuse not to learn. All right. So number two, the second one is your skill set. Now, this is where a lot of people get stuck because they think they need some, fancy degree or years of experience. No, you don't. What you need is one or two skills that will solve a problem for somebody. That could be customer support, it could be social media management, it could be data entry, copywriting, virtual assistant. The list is so long. The list is long, it's a lot. Pick something that actually interests you, then you get good at it. Practice it anyhow, somewhere, somehow, just practice it, even if it's on a mock project for a friend's business or for family. You just need proof that you can do that particular thing. You need proof. And the number three on my list is your CV. This is where so many people drop the ball. They have the skills, they are ready to work, but their CV looks like it was written in 2005 and thrown together, into one 10 minutes copy. Your CV is your first impression. It needs to be clean, clear, and it needs to speak directly to the kind of remote role that you are going after. It doesn't have to have long paragraphs, no irrelevant experience like having to put your date of birth, the year you were born and all that. Just who you are, what you can do, and the value you bring. These three things that I've mentioned, they are not complicated, and please don't make it complicated, right? Don't make it complicated already. But most people skip one of them and then they wonder, oh, why didn't I get a call back or responses from the job I applied to? Oh, remote work is not for me. No, it's for you. It's for everybody that does it right. So if you're serious about this remote life, start here. Computer skills, build your skill set, fix your CV. And if you need help with any of this, I've got you. Make sure you're following, because I'll break all this down, all the steps, step by step, break them down for you to understand so that we can earn these dollars together. So make sure you are following me. Save this video, you will need it. Follow me, comment, share to your loved ones, those that are finding it difficult to come into the remote space, share to them. See you in my next video. Bye.